Namaste. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you module blending. Subject name is Unit Operations in Food Industry. Discipline is Food and Biotechnology. Now let's start the topic blending. Blending is a process of combining materials, but blending is relatively gentle process compared to the mixing. In terms of the phase of material, blending is the process of solid-solid mixing or mixing of bulk solids with small quantity of liquid. The terminology mixing is more closely associated with the liquid-liquid, gas-liquid and viscous materials. Mixing is a unit operation in which a uniform mixture is obtained from two or more components by dispersing one within the other. Hence, it is a process which involves manipulating a heterogeneous physical system with the intent to make it more homogeneous. Mixing and blending are terms that have specific meaning in the food industry. Most food processing experts use the word mixing to describe the process of combining wet and dry materials. Blending is a term used to describe the process of combining only dry ingredients. Then principles of the blender. Blenders are the versatile appliances that have a variety of uses in the home, business and laboratory. The main function in home and bar use is geared toward crushing ice, and blenders also liquefy and emulsify softer food ingredients such as fruit and yogurt, which results in a thick consistency and a smooth texture. This is an image of the blender. Then blenders are the mixtures for solid-solid blending. Considering the myriad of industrial operations requiring blending of bulk solids, there is a wide range of blender technologies available. Depending on the principle, mechanism of mixing, blenders are classified as follows. First is tumbler blenders. It includes double cone blender, V blenders, octagonal blenders. Then convective blender that includes ribbon blender, paddle blender, vertical screw blender. And third is fluidization blender or mixtures. It includes flow mixture, double paddle mixture or Forberg mixer. Now, tumbler blenders. The tumbler blender is a rotating device that commonly comes in double cone or V-shaped configuration. Asymmetric vessels designed to reduce blend times and improve uniformity are also available. Generally, tumble blenders operate at a speed of 5 to 25 revolutions per minute. Material cascade and intermix as the vessels. Mixing is very low impact. Then convective blenders. Convection blender. A blending is characterized by large scale random motion of solid particles. Paddle blenders, vertical ribbon blender, horizontal ribbon blenders function by the convection blending. Depending on the geometry of the mixing blade, agitators are the mixing and the mixing vessel. The movement of the solid particles shall occur in both axial and radial direction. In addition, the bulk motion of the particle also depends on the speed of the rotation of the agitator. Here there is a passage for the feed, then it will move by the rotating arm, and then there is a helical conveyor which will reduce the size or mixing and then discharge the particle. Then blending, a convective mixture is mixing is ribbon blenders, forward blenders, orbiting screw blenders, planetary blenders, vertical high intensity mixtures, horizontal double arm blenders, horizontal high intensity mixtures and diffusion mixtures with intensifiers and agitators. Then fluidization blenders. Fluidization blenders is the newest and most innovative addition to the industry's most comprehensive line of mixing equipment. This mixture provides the perfect balance of mixing speed and efficiency with low equipment cost and consumed power. It eliminates roll-apart segregation caused by gravity when mixing ingredients of greatly varying density, shape and size by fluidizing. Fluidization is achieved by the combination of a defined geometry lifting action with a triple paddle multi-zone rotor turning about 80% faster than the traditional ribbon blender. Then benefits of the fluidization blenders are as follows. It increased production capacity up to 10 times the throughput versus ribbon blender. It has low shear design. It is extremely gentle with fragile ingredients. It has minimal heat generated due to the internal friction. It has high particle movement, fast even liquid addition and coating, ideal for agglomerating, no overmixing, innovative technology, ideal for manual and automated systems, high efficiency design, fluidization assures homogeneous mixes independent of large range of particle size, shape or density, 30 to 60 seconds mix times typically, and low CV, that is coefficient of variation values, and low consumed power and horsepower per ton. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.